Well, the scenery is all very different. We are in Phoenix, Arizona in the US. Behind me is Bartlett Lake and also the Yellow Cliffs. And with me is a familiar looking car. Yes, it's the X5, but now the X5M. And that too in the competition spec. So the X5M competition has 625 bhp under the hood, and the car is going to be a stonker. We are going to be driving it all day around the hills and mountains of Phoenix and finding out what the car is like.
While the majority of the work to transform the regular X5 into this Hulk has gone on under the skin, the looks have to play the part, and the transformation starts right there at the front, where a new sculpted bumper with a 3-dimensional air dam not only looks menacing but also plays an important functional part. The double bar, all black kidney grille is M specific, and below it on either side are huge air intakes to feed the two twin-scroll turbochargers, especially when the X5M is showing off its metal on the track, but also for other cooling necessities. In profile, the 21-inch light alloy wheels make the car appear smaller than it actually is, while the body-colored wheel arch extensions give it an even sportier look. The black grills on the front panels point to this being an M car. The rear-view mirrors are lighter and more aerodynamic, being made of carbon fiber, while the rear roof spoiler is as much for show as it is for giving the car some extra downforce. The X5M also gets specific M tailpipes.
The cabin is, of course, an X5. It is the new X5 cabin with the large two displays, one for the instrument panel and one for the infotainment system. And it also has the huge head-ups display that we saw on the X5. So it's an X5 but with a lot more added features. The cabin is transformed with the new seats, which also keep in mind some comfort features like massage and the carbon fiber inlays all on the inside. They add a very sporty touch to the interiors.
Under the hood is the masterpiece of this showcase on wheels, the 4.4-litre V8 turbocharged engine that has the twin-scroll turbos nestled between the two banks of cylinders. BMW M has been refining this engine and using it across its range of products in different states of use. On the competition spec, it churns out 625 bhp at 6000 rpm, 25 horses more than on the X5M standard. In addition to the mind-blowing power, it produces peak torque of diesel-esque proportions, 750 Nm, available over a 3800 rpm band from a very low 1800 rpm onwards. For conveying this power and torque to the wheels, the X5M employs an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission, which connects to another intelligent all-wheel drive system with a central transfer case with a wet multi-plate clutch and an active rear M differential. While the central transfer case can vary power from full front to full rear, the rear differential can also vary between fully unlocked and fully locked. The proof of the pudding, though, is in its eating. And though the starting crackle of the engine does not sound like something that is going to deliver sports car-like performance, that myth is shattered as soon as one steps on the gas. 0 to 100 km per hour comes up in just over 3 seconds, and one is past 200 km per hour in just over 13 seconds.
And to drive, the car is as if on rails. The body roll goes missing once we put the suspension on the sport mode. It's good for a track, but of course on these countryside roads, one can feel all the undulations of the road, the cracks on the road and the joints as well.
There are a lot of tuned-up SUVs available in the market, but nothing with so much power and flexibility, plus the latest in all the systems that are making their appearance in the high-end premium cars. The X5 is one of the best high-end full-size SUVs available in the market. M GmbH has turned it into a lethal track weapon as well.
This is typical Arizona countryside, the kind that you see in the movies, with cacti of various shapes and sizes, mountains, rocks, rivers and gullies. And we've been crossing many of them in this car, a monster of a car, the X5M competition. It does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.8 seconds, and that's sports car territory. For the people who want the go with the show, this is perhaps the car to buy.
Along with the X5M, we also got a chance to get behind the wheel of the X6M. It is based on the X6, which as you may know is an SUV coupe, so it gets the characteristic sinking roofline and a slightly strange looking rear as a result. The X6M shares its interiors with the X5M, and the two are mechanically identical as well, except for slight tuning to the rear suspension and a little tinkering here and there. BMW will launch the X5M and the X6M in India in May 2020, and the two are likely to carry a price tag of around, well, under rupees 2 crore, so squaring up with the likes of the Porsche Cayenne and Cayenne Coupe Turbo variants, Range Rover Sport SVR and the Mercedes-AMG G63. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And for more news and reviews from the automotive world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.